friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video we are going to show you top most beautiful printed triple Georgian saree collection. So please watch the video till end. Friends, we all are know that Georgian sarees are so soft, lightweighted and very much comfortable to wear. If you wear this kind of Georgian saree with perfect contrast blouse, you look so gorgeous and attractive. Friends, these kind of double color triple printed Georgian sarees are perfect suitable for wedding, engagement, get together, birthday party, function, festival, family gathering, daily wear, office wear, farewell wear, party wear and all other special event. Friends, these kind of triple printed Georgian sarees are perfect suitable for college going girl, teenage girl, younger woman and middle-aged woman. Friends, this kind of triple printed Georgian saree comes with different range of colors like orange, yellow, green, lavender, pink, violet, white, red, green, maroon and grey. Friends, this kind of printed triple Georgian saree comes with different range of colors, pattern and design. Friends, these kind of printed double Georgian sarees are available in both online portal and your nearest market. Friends, if you want buy this saree collection in online portal, please check the link given in the description box. Friends, I hope you guys are love this video. If you like this video, please do like, comments and share it to your friends and family. Friends, please click subscribe button and along with the bell icon for immediate notification. Thank you friends and keep watching.